Hi everybody, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Okay, so I'm going to do a walkthrough and just show you what's going on in the garden since we last spoke. Today is July 6th. So the tiger lilies or day lilies are coming up and they're exquisite. The problem is they don't last long in a vase, so I just leave them out here. You're going to see a lot of brush around because of the fact that massive storms, almost every day, thunderstorms. I hope you can hear me over the cars whizzing by. These are the cosmos I started, apricot lemonade. I only started just a few. Over here was where I had a bunch of snapdragons. You can see they weren't faring well. I pulled out most and started sunflowers here and some glads. So those are gladiolas and sunflowers. Now the main part of the garden, here is our sunflower row and zinnia. And our La Romas are coming in clusters. There's probably at least 40 to 50 out here. A couple more glads. And these are called stargazers or liatris, Liatris. They started with 2 bulbs, one here that I bought at the Dollar General and one here. And wait till I show you how they've grown actually underneath the sidewalk and into the garden. I cut down the feverfew. It was in bad shape. Our white globe, I think they're called polar bear. Zinnias are really coming along with our burgundy sunflowers. She's really a beauty here. And this bed, I've had a really hard time. It's overtaken by mint. I planted about 4 times and with zinnias, and you can see I have a couple here, like right there. But for some reason, there's cats that keep getting into it. Here's more of that liatris. Now, here's the big improvement. But it's totally not in yet. Oh my God, now all of a sudden all the cars want to go by. And here's my little seating area still. Oh, you can't see it. It's camoing in. We're putting in a arch for, now you can see it. For pumpkins, I'm going to try to grow, let me think about it. Jack B. Little and Baby Boo, which are mini pumpkins. I've already got them started up on the roof there where I start everything to grow and make this like a pumpkin arch. It's going to go in another foot. I have lights coming in. They should be here tomorrow to wrap, and then I'll officially put it in. But it looks really pretty. From a distance, it does. I'll show you from a distance. Now, getting back to those 2 bulbs I told you about. They grew underneath the sidewalk. Oh my God, it's like a racetrack out here right now. I'm so sorry. That's why it's best I do this in the morning. But you can see they're everywhere. And they're tall, you guys, about 4 feet tall. And I gave some to my mom, and I put some out front. Cucumber towers are coming along. There's some cucumbers. Here's my failure. These are my yellow squash. Womp womp. I pulled them up. They barely had any roots on them at all. It was the grubs. I never learned. But I got something in place to prevent that next year, hopefully. But here's all the tomatoes. I don't know. You can see they're pretty much on every plant. Wow. Like, Susan's going to make a video. I'm going to go by. Little pond. I ripped the lemon balm out, you guys. I replanted it somewhere else, but potatoes. And I think they're starting to flower. These are, look at the size of these. These are cherry tomatoes. These ones are red. These ones are yellow. Snapdragons. I think this was called Amethyst in the Night. Absolutely beautiful. Is coming back for another. I cut her down and she's coming back. And our pumpkin, our baby. I was going to give you an update tomorrow, but I might as well just do it right now. Last week when we let off, We were right here and it was tiny, and it's grown all the way there. And there's another pumpkin here on this side. So there's a lot of things, oops. There's a lot of things going on. There's a lot of things that need to be. It's just really hard out here with the, here's some more zinnias. And I can't wait to show you guys the lime blush. I'm going to take you over here now and show you my sunflower row. These babies I saved. Don't mind underneath there because that's where my little workshop is. But they've got to be about 4 feet. I started, everything you've seen, I started from seed, except for the tomatoes. These are the Morning Glory towers I started. And this morning we had our first flower. Oh, right there. She's gone now. But I just put the seeds there. You just need some sticks. You don't even need bamboo. You could do whatever you want. But here are my 3 Morning Glory towers. And I keep finding more Morning Glories everywhere, so I just keep putting them in that pot. And I made another little tower for it. But let's look at these babies. And they're starting to bud out. But they got a ways to go. Uh-oh. That is a big beetle trying to eat her. You can see they have a lot of damage from beetles, but so they're all along here. I don't know how many there is. 1, 2, sorry, I'm in the thing. 3, 4, 6, it looks like. So those are all my sunflowers, and these are the Morning Glory towers. And then what I have popping off is I started some more cucumber plants, 1 marigold. I started a whole bunch, only 1 took. Snapdragons I started. And these are the gazanzias. I'm still with these guys. I'm still trying to get these babies going. They're here because we keep getting torrential downpours, and they do not care for it. These are some more zinnias and a little bit over there. But underneath here is where I do a lot of my planting. Dutch isn't out here with me right now, but that's where we are. And once I get the arch, oh, you can see the arch. I'll show you the arch from here, this direction. Don't mind that car there all the time. That's my neighbor's father. He comes over and he's afraid to park in their parking lot because he would have to come out, pull out into this busy road, and it scares him. So he just parks there. I don't mind. The only reason I hate it though, it's like in almost all my videos, is No-No's car there. But it is what it is. But anyways, the idea is to grow, which I have started already. The Jack B. Little and the Baby Boo mini pumpkins up the arch. And on one side and on the other side, I've got Chinese long beans. So we'll see how it turns out. All right, thanks for tuning in, and that's what's going on now. Once I get the, like I said, I don't have this installed at all. This was from Amazon. It was only $29.99, so just call it $30. Holy moly. Now we have dirt bikes and quads going by. I'm sorry. This was not the peaceful garden tour that I was looking to do. But it is where we are at this moment. And you know what? Maybe tomorrow I'll come out and do one early while everybody's asleep and do a much nicer, peaceful tour for you guys, okay? All right. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.